DTF can do a lot, but it can't do this. Halloween is all about the things that come alive in the dark, and now your prints can too. Glow in the Dark HTV lets you add eerie accents, hidden messages, and glowing details that only show up when the lights go out. All it takes is a cutter, and if you're already running DTF, this is the perfect trick to add a new treat for your customers. So stick around. I'll show you exactly how to stay warm in style with your new favorite fall fashion that glows in ways DTF can't touch. If you're already doing DTF printing, you know it's amazing for full color designs. We get photorealism, high-def details, even crazy textures. But here's the thing, DTF can't glow. That's where HTV comes in. It's fast, low cost, and perfect for seasonal drops like Halloween, where you want a big wow factor without slowing down production. So bring that fleece, that hoodie, that outerwear to life with designs made to light up the room. And the best part? It's beginner friendly. Anyone can pull this off. So even if you're running DTF day and night, having Glow HTV in your toolkit lets you add specialty effects that make your shop look like it has every trick in the book. And trust me, your customers will notice. Now it's time to reveal the secret weapon behind tonight's glowing creations. Meet the Siser Romeo vinyl cutter. Do not be fooled by its size. This little machine packs a punch, and for Halloween projects like today, it's the perfect choice. So why Romeo? Well, first, it's quiet. Seriously, the quietest stepper motor cutter I've ever used, which is huge if you're working in a home studio or a small shop. Second is the software. Clean, simple, no confusing settings, just load your material and let Romeo take care of the rest. For DTF printers, this means we can add those glow effects without changing our regular workflow. But here's my favorite part. The machine comes preloaded with every setting for all the different Siser heat transfer materials. So what does that mean? No wasted time with blade depth, no guessing settings or pressures, and no wasting vinyl doing all those testings. Simply load your material in, select all the settings you need on the full color display, and let Romeo take care of the rest. And now the real magic, Siser Glow in the Dark HTV. This poly-based vinyl is durable, thin, and soft to the touch, so it doesn't feel like a thick patch on our garments. Now in daylight, it's a crisp, clean white, but charge it under natural or UV light, and it glows a bright neon green after dark. So think beyond Halloween. What about kids wear, safety gear, cycling suits, even concerts? Truly think outside the box beyond just t-shirts. Now with the cutter that is easy to use and vinyl that comes alive after dark, this combo is not only approachable for beginners, it also delivers professional results. So for anyone running DTF, it's the perfect way to layer in effects that will wow your customers and elevate those seasonal drops. Let's dive on in. This is gonna be easy and a lot of fun. First, load your Siser Glow in the Dark HTV into the Romeo cutter and secure it in place by locking down the pinch wheels. Make sure the wheels are secured on the marked areas of the cutter so everything stays in place as we cut. Next, tell the cutter what material you are using to get the correct settings. Everything's handled right here on the screen. Easy. From here, hop into the Leonardo cutting software, drag in your spooky design, size it to fit, and send the job to Romeo. Time for our little machine to work its magic. After our HTV is cut by Romeo, it's time to bring the design to life through weeding. Carefully remove the excess vinyl so every haunted eye, ghostly outline, and hidden message is revealed. Using a Siser hook or similar tool makes it easier to handle the small details while keeping the design crisp and ready to glow. Thanks to Romeo's preloaded settings, the carrier sheet holds it together perfectly for application. Today we're using our Prisma swing away at 305 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds with a medium pressure. And this material is a warm peel. And now for the big reveal. Can we get a drum roll, please? Check it out. A single layer design that glows like magic. Haunted eyes, ghostly outlines, and hidden messages all come alive when the light goes out. This effect is perfect for Halloween, night events, or really any seasonal drop. Even if you run direct to film full time, adding glow accents like this gives your design an extra wow factor that your customers are gonna love. Okay, so obviously Halloween is the perfect time for glow vinyl, but this stuff is not just for one season. Think hoodies, kids gear, safety vests, cycling suits, anything that could look cooler at night. Haunted eyes, secret messages, glowing outlines, it's all fair game. And from a business side, glow in the dark turns regular garments into something people are willing to pay extra for. And if you're already running DTF, this is such an easy way to add a little extra wow without changing your normal workflow. And if you're not offering glow yet, trust me, someone else in your market probably is. This is exactly the kind of tool you want in your production setup. And vinyl cutters like the Romeo are compact, affordable, and so easy to use, they let you add effects that really make your design stand out. And here's a fun thought. What if you combine Glow HTV with a full color DTF print? Glowing outlines, hidden accents, spooky details layered over your regular design. That's the kind of thing people share, that they notice and remember. Let us know in the comments if you want to see us try that next. So what do you guys think? Glow in the dark HTV is one of those simple tricks that delivers a huge impact, especially during Halloween when everybody's trying to stand out. If you got questions about Siser heat transfer vinyl, cutting tips, or even how to mix this with direct-to-film for those wild effects, drop them in the comments. I love seeing your questions and ideas. If you're ready to give this a try yourself, head over to our website. We have the full line of Siser cutters, vinyls, and accessories all ready to go. Whether you're starting a side hustle, planning a seasonal dropper, just want to add some glowing magic to your shop, this is by far one of the easiest ways to make your design shine. Literally. From all of us here at All American Print Supply, have a safe, spooky, and glowing Halloween. We cannot wait to see your creations light up the night.